big fall that we've seen in crude prices. In fact, since the start of the Middle East conflict, we've seen crude prices fall by more than $20 per barrel. It had almost gone to levels of 100, and now we're down to 73. So that's provided that fillip today. But Sonia is here to talk all about the decline in crude prices and how it's benefiting Interglobe Aviation. Sonia.
Yes, absolutely. Thanks a lot for that. So as you rightly pointed out, Interglobe Aviation is now at a fresh 52-week high. The journey has been stupendous this year. So the stock is up 50% in 2023. One of the big reasons, of course, is the fall in crude prices. Crude prices are at a 6-month low. Now, aviation turbine fuel cost, right, as of Q2, it's about 38% of the overall cost. And that cost has fallen quite a bit. So if you look at the Q2 numbers itself, ATF cost was down about 6.5% on a year-on-year basis. But that's not all. We've seen the rise in air traffic, the demand boom currently, and Interglobe Aviation is the biggest beneficiary of that. It has the highest overall market share at 63.3%. And in some monopolistic routes, Interglobe Aviation actually has 70% plus market share. So it is the biggest beneficiary of this boom. It has also announced new flights from Mumbai and Bengaluru to Phuket. So it's seen a 25% increase in weekly flights to Thailand. And as we know, Thailand is a big sector that's booming in terms of consumption demand. Now, there are SpiceJet's issues also that are prevalent, and some analysts believe that Indigo could further gain from SpiceJet's problems. Let's put that into consideration, right? Novama put out a report where they said that 40% of SpiceJet's fleet is still grounded. They have a very weak balance sheet. Yesterday, SpiceJet reported their numbers where they have a huge EBITDA loss of 443 odd crores. And Novama in its report says that there is a lack of transparency that SpiceJet has in sharing its key operational data, and that remains a major concern. So as they say, one man's food is another man's poison. So because of SpiceJet's issues, Interglobe Aviation is seeing, much more in terms of traction, both on the business side as well as in the stock markets. Back to you.
All right, Sonia, thanks a lot for taking us through all of those many reasons that are working in favor of Interglobe Aviation. That stock is up around 1.5% today. By the way, just take a look at the PI industry stock.